Enjin is a platform that provides the tools for developers to build games using the Ethereum blockchain, while also providing players the opportunity to own and trade their in-game items. Its design is built on the ERC-1155 multi-token standard, which allows for the creation of an infinite number of fungible, non-fungible, and semi-fungible tokens through one smart contract. ENJ is an Ethereum-based token that backs the value of assets in the ecosystem, since any asset created using Enjin requires storing ENJ in a smart contract. Based in Singapore, the company was founded by Maxim Blogoff and Wojciech Radomski, who now serve as the CEO and CTO, respectively. Radomski helped to create the ERC-1155 token standard, which is a critical building block in the platform's design. Although most blockchain companies are relatively new, Enjin was launched in 2009. The network was first developed to support the worldwide gaming community, and it pivoted to using blockchain and crypto in 2017. The company then shifted its focus to creating an ecosystem in which users owned their assets and could freely trade and market them using its platform. In terms of fundraising, 400 million ENJ were sold in a token pre-sale in September 2017 for a total sum of 38,800 ETH, worth $12 million at the time. Over the next 2 months, the team's crowd sale raised an additional $23 million and also received support during several funding rounds from venture capital investors, and it raised $40 million more through its Polkadot parachain project Affinity. By early 2022, the platform boasted over 1 billion assets created using its platform. There are several back-end components of the platform that give its users the ability to build, play, and interact with games. Trusted Cloud houses the testnet and mainnet and connects users' game accounts with their blockchain accounts. Software Development Kits provides developers with the tools they need to code games using different programming languages, including Enjin's smart contract language, CryptoItem, which allows users to create and destroy assets. In order to generate new tokens, ENJ must be sent to the contract which stores the coins. Holders of assets can then melt them to retrieve the ENJ from the contract. Enjin Wallet helps facilitate the transactions that are necessary to run blockchain games and to automate the gaming processes. The wallet allows players to send/receive payments, melt ERC-1155 assets to receive ENJ, and even convert tokens without the need to go through an exchange. A prime example of the platform's usefulness was released in 2020. Enjincraft was an open-source plugin that allowed players to port their Ethereum-based assets into the popular Minecraft game, creating the opportunity for users to truly own the in-game items they created. Subsequently, gamers could even buy and sell these Minecraft items through its marketplace. JumpNet is a private bridging network that uses a proof-of-authority consensus mechanism to create an ecosystem of gasless transactions for Enjin. ENJ is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. It is primarily used as the parent currency in the ecosystem's games and communities. Along with its use as a simple means of payment and exchange, ENJ is also used to mint assets. If a user wants to create a magnifying glass for a detective in their game, they send ENJ to one of the smart contracts where it's locked in exchange for the NFT that represents their asset. This backs the asset with a certain amount of value, both establishing that NFT's worth on the open market and removing ENJ from the circulating supply. Thanks for watching.